Boom! Yeah! There you go! Palakpakan natin once again. Okay? Alright, as of now, malalaman natin, syempre pagaling na sayaw, di ba? Contestant, 1, 2, 3 na tayo, ha? Ulit. Okay. Contestant number 1! Contestant number 2! Alam, hirap naman. Contestant number 3!